Thousands of years ago, our ancestors stayed in forest and would always think of what to eat, where to sleep, and how to avoid the predator. Their whole thought process was for the current moment. This is called as the immediate return environment because your actions instantly deliver clear and immediate outcomes. Our modern society is not built on this concept. If you save money, then maybe you'll get a retirement in a decade. If you exercise, then next year you'll not be overweight. If you write, then by next year you can publish your book. You are taking action now, but you will get the rewards in the distant future. This is called as delayed return environment. The human brain did not evolve for a life in a delayed return environment. Our brain in modern society is same as the brain of our ancestors walking in the forest. It's in the last 500 years that we have moved in the delayed return environment. In the recent years, we have seen rise in cars, tall building, cheesy foods, internet, smartphone, aeroplane, etc. The world has changed a lot, but human behavior has changed a little. The brain that was developed when our ancestors walked in the forest was designed as per the immediate gratifications. Our brain has evolved to prefer quick payoffs to long-term goals. It means that we value our present more than the future. A reward that is certain right now is more valuable than the reward that we may get in the future. Why would people overeat if they know that it can cause obesity? Why would people smoke if they know that it can cause cancer? Why would people drink alcohol if they know that it can cause health problem? Because obesity, health problem, or any disease we will have after some years but not now. In this moment, we are relieving stress, we're enjoying food, we are socializing with the people. With our bad habits, immediate outcome feels good and ultimate outcome is disaster. With our good habits, immediate outcome feels painful but ultimate outcome is very enjoyable. We all make plans for our future self, like losing weight, reading or writing a book, investing, etc. We all want our future to be good, and for this, we envision to take good actions. But when the moment of decision comes, it's the instant gratification that wins. At the decisive moment, we want our present self to be satisfied, pampered, entertained, and full. Because of wiring in our brain, most people would spend their days chasing the quick bit of satisfaction. The road less traveled is the road of delayed gratification. Like, share, subscribe to TheALTYOU for more such videos.